In this video, we will learn how to create an email signature in Outlook. Let's get started. Here is my Outlook dashboard. To create an email signature, let's go over there and click on this setting icon. Here is the Signatures option. Click over there. Here, edit and choose signatures that will be automatically added to your email message. Let's add a new signature. Edit signature name. Enter some text that will be shown with your name. From here, you can change the text font style. Change the font size. Bold text, italic, and underline. You can add highlight effects to your text. Click on these three dots. You can change the font color or add bullets. Numbering, decrease, and increase indent. Text align center or left. Quote. Align right, inset link. Superscript, subscript, strike through, alternate text, left to right, and right to left, undo, clear formatting, insert table, and change case. If you scroll down, select default signatures for new messages and for replies and forwards as well. Once you are all done, click on Save. Click over there, and you can see, my name is added. New I can choose anyone for new messages, replies, and forwards. This is how you can create an email signature in Outlook. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.